Top 30 Filipinos lang sayings. Kung mayroon kang anumang komento sa ibaba. Salamat pare. Thanks buddy. Asti. Cool. Anong trip mo? What's your plan? Beshi, besh, beshi. Term of endearment for a friend, from bestie. Chika. Gossip or news. Walang kupas. Till the best. Pet malo. Amazing or extraordinary, from malupit. Lodi. Idol, reverse of idol. Wala yan. Nothing or no way. Lakas makaji. Bold or daring, from garapal. Sorbetes. Ice cream, used to describe someone smooth or sweet. Paps. Friend or buddy. Jowa. Romantic partner or boyfriend, girlfriend. Senti. Sentimental. Werpa. Power or strength, from Twerps, a local rock band. Pakgan earn. Expression of approval or affirmation. Chillax. Combination of chill and relax. Jeprox. Term for someone stylish or fashionable. Lamon. To eat voraciously. Carry lang. It's okay or it's fine. Pakipot. Playing hard to get. Gigil. Overwhelming urge or excitement. Sabaw. Mentally drained or spaced out. Tambay. To hang out or loiter. Sausaw. To meddle or intrude in someone's business. Chibog. Food or mealtime. Gig. A live music event or concert. Kuripot. Stingy or frugal. Jots. Ugly or unattractive. Diskarte. Resourcefulness or strategy. If you know of any Filipino slang sayings, comment below. Like and subscribe.